Hi there, my friend. Ever feel like you're stuck, living a life far from what you dream of? I've been there too, feeling like life is slipping through my fingers. But guess what? You can turn it all around in just 3 weeks. Sounds crazy, right? Well, stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have the blueprint to make that happen. And trust me, you don't want to miss a single step. 1. Acknowledging the struggle. Life's hectic, and finding time for self-improvement feels impossible. I get it. But at some point, you've got to take charge of your own life. Your midwife isn't responsible anymore. So let's stop waiting for life to happen and start making life happen. Ready? Let's do this together. 2. The power of action. Most people live 2 lives, the one they are living and the one they're capable of. The gap between the two? That's procrastination. Imagine if you started before you were ready, like successful people do. Think about it. The cost of procrastination is the life you could have lived. So let's stop talking about our goals and start taking action. 3. Creating urgency and accountability. Let me tell you a story. At the beginning of this year, I got tired of hearing myself make excuses. Every month, I'd promise that this was the month I'd stop procrastinating, but nothing changed. One day, I decided enough was enough. I went into what I call ghost mode, cutting out distractions, focusing intensely on my goals. It wasn't about quitting socializing entirely, but about prioritizing what mattered most. And guess what? That focus and determination changed everything. It's amazing what you can achieve when you commit fully, even if it's just for a few weeks. Want to know the best part? This approach can work for you too. 4. Consistency in working out. Consistency is key, especially with working out. It's not just about the physical benefits. The mental benefits are huge. Working out every day builds your discipline muscle. And if you're disciplined enough for your workout, you can be disciplined in other areas. It's all about building momentum. If you are starting from near zero, download the 7 Minutes Workout app like I did. Want to hear a secret? I adjusted the settings to 3.5 minutes because I was so unfit. But I did it every day, and I am at 15 minutes now and have the form of my life. 5. Reframing your mindset. Stop thinking you're not capable. Destroy those negative beliefs. Replace them with positive affirmations. When a negative thought pops up, take a deep breath and switch to a positive one. Visualize the life you want. You've got this, and you don't need to stress. 6. Clear goals and direction. Set clear goals. Like a ship setting sail, know your destination. Can you tell someone your goal in 1 sentence? You need to know where you're going to reach it. Problems will come, but they'll be solved. Keep doing the right things every day. 7. Programming your mind for success. Look at your mental diet. Are you feeding your mind the right information? Surround yourself with people who lift you up, not drag you down. Your thoughts become your actions, so fill your mind with positive, goal-oriented information. This will change your life. 8. The company you keep. You are the sum of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Surround yourself with winners. Their positive attitudes will rub off on you, making you more ambitious and accountable. It's a complete game changer. 9. The final key. Consistency. Consistency is crucial. It's better to work out for 5 minutes every day for a year than for 2 hours every day for a month. Transformation is a marathon, not a sprint. Whatever you are doing, keep doing it consistently, and you'll see the results. So, my friend, are you ready to start your greatest transformation yet? No more excuses. It's time to take action, be consistent, and watch your life change in just 3 weeks. You've got this. I believe in you. Let's make it happen.